During the next 30 years, the world's population will grow larger and more prosperous. Demand will soar for agricultural goods, especially high-value products such as meat, milk, fruits and vegetables, timber, oilseeds, and bioenergy. How do we meet this demand while climate change threatens the health and availability of our land and water resources? Productivity growth is imperative for meeting the needs of a growing world while addressing the threats to human and environmental well-being. This can be achieved by increasing the productivity of agricultural producers. So, what is agricultural productivity? In agriculture, productivity is measured as total factor productivity, or TFP. When more crops, livestock, and aquaculture products are produced using the same amount or less land, labor, fertilizer, machinery, feed, and livestock, that is an increase in TFP. Agricultural productivity growth is driven by the adoption of innovative technologies and practices. This can include precision agriculture equipment and data, advanced transgenic and hybrid seed varieties, best practices for nutrient and water management, and improved animal care practices and genetics, as well as attention to ecosystem services and biodiversity. Increasingly, small-scale producers have access to these and other technologies and information, and those who do can thrive. With healthier feed and improved animal housing, a small-scale dairy farmer in Kenya can increase milk output with fewer animals, less feed, and reduced methane emissions. By cultivating mangoes with drip irrigation, a farmer in India can harvest a robust crop using less land and water. Total factor productivity needs to grow by an average of 2% per year to sustainably produce the agricultural products needed in 2050. But the most recent data show that we aren't keeping up, especially in low-income countries where many smallholder farmers live. What happens if we don't meet our productivity goals? Without productive land management practices, 90% of the Earth's soils could be degraded by erosion by 2050, and forests and biodiverse areas will be destroyed for planting or pasture. Without productivity growth in the livestock sector, 20 million more dairy cattle and buffalo will be needed in India alone to meet domestic demand for milk products. Without an acceleration in TFP growth, low-income countries will need to import agricultural products to meet the needs of consumers, leading to higher food prices. Small-scale farmers, particularly women, will struggle with high labor burdens, poverty, and food insecurity. Without productivity growth in the fruit and vegetable sector, low-income households will struggle to afford a diverse, healthy diet. Without improvements in water use efficiency, water sources will be depleted, making prime agricultural land unusable. Strategic policies, investments, and partnerships support and accelerate productivity growth. By working together, we can increase agricultural productivity and invigorate our food and agricultural systems for the 21st century. For more information and resources on agricultural productivity, visit globalagriculturalproductivity.org.